Backing up your data before updating your Android phone to Android 15 beta is crucial for several reasons. Beta versions of operating systems are often unstable and can contain bugs that might cause data loss or corrupt your device. By ensuring you have a backup, you safeguard your personal information, photos, contacts, and app data against potential issues that can arise during the update process. Additionally, a backup allows you to restore your device to its previous state if you encounter significant problems with the beta software, ensuring minimal disruption to your daily activities. This precautionary step is essential for maintaining the integrity of your data and avoiding the inconvenience and potential stress of data recovery. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and today we will be talking about why you would want to update to Android 15 beta at all and how to back up your data before updating as well. Now with that said, let's dive right into today's topic. Part 1. Why would you want to update to Android 15 beta? Well, Android 15 beta 2.2 specifically brings several important new features and improvements, which will make it very appealing to many who are using Android 14 versions right now. Granted, the main reason why you would want to back up your data is very important, and it's because Android 15 beta will reset your device, which means that you will lose your data if you don't back it up and then restore it after the fact. With that said, here are some of the most important features available with this beta. Private space. This feature allows users to create a separate password-protected area on their device to hide sensitive files, apps, and notifications. It's a significant enhancement for user privacy, similar to Samsung's Secure Folder, but more comprehensive. Predictive back. This updated feature provides a preview of the action that will occur when using the back gesture before committing to it. This can help users avoid accidental navigation and improve overall usability. Improved multitasking for large screens. Now, Android 15 beta 2.2 introduces better multitasking capabilities for devices with large screens. Users can pin the taskbar for quick app switching and save split-screen app combinations for easy access. Selected photos access. Apps can now highlight only the most recently selected photos and videos when partial media access is actually granted. Now, this really streamlines the user experience for apps that frequently request access to media files. Smoother picture-in-picture transitions. Enhancements in picture-in-picture mode ensure smoother transitions, especially for apps with UI elements overlaid on their main interface. These features, among other improvements, aim to enhance privacy, usability, and multitasking capabilities on Android devices, hence why a lot of people have really considered trying out the beta. Part 2. How to back up your phone before updating. Now, when it comes to actually backing up your data before updating, there are multiple methods available in the market, but the one that we would recommend is to just use Wondershare Dr.Fone. The software makes it incredibly easy to back up and restore your data while doing it very quickly. It also supports a lot of different types of data, which includes messages, photos, call history, contacts, and so much more. Through the software, you can easily create a backup of your data, and once you've updated your device to the beta and you've lost everything that you have on there, you can just select the Restore to Device option to get all of your data back onto your device that you backed up after the fact. Now, here's how you can do that very easily, so just make sure to follow the steps coming right up. First things first, download and install the Wondershare Dr.Fone software by clicking on the link in the description, and make sure to launch it. Once you've launched it, just access the My Backup section on the left side panel. From there, plug in your phone to your computer using a compatible USB cable. Once done, Dr.Fone will immediately detect what device you have. From there, please allow all of the necessary permissions to allow Dr.Fone to access your device and actually be able to back up your data properly. From there, select all of the different types of data that you actually want to back up. Once you've done so, just select the backup button from the bottom of the screen. Give it some time to back up, and once it's done, it will show you a notification on the screen of your computer. Then you can just access the backups from the same side panel that we mentioned earlier and choose your phone from the recent backups. From there, you can view your backup if you want and then restore to device immediately from there by pressing this button on screen. Then you should finally be good to go from there. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end. Leave us a like if you liked this video and comment any of your thoughts and questions down below in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel for more content just like this, and hit the notification bell to be updated when a new video is uploaded. Until next time, have a great day.